I graduated from La Trobe Shepparton, and I'm in theatre for the first couple of months of my grad year, hopefully moving on to surgical and then specialist consulting suites.
I graduated from La Trobe University and I'm currently in special care nursery and then move on to rehab and medical ward.
Currently in hemodialysis, and then I will be going to surgical ward hopefully, and then going to the special care nursery.
I'm one of the graduate nurses for 2020 and first got allocated to the subacute ward.
Originally I wanted to do pharmacology, but yeah, I kind of wanted to do something a bit more hands-on. And nursing you do a lot with medications and it is hands-on as well. So you're doing things, you're building rapport with patients. It's sort of jack of all trades really in the medical field.
So I've always been passionate about helping others, and I believe nursing offers this unique opportunity. And being there for people at their most challenging days, and I think it's such a rewarding thing to be able to give back to them and advocate for them to achieve the best possible health outcomes, which is why it's motivated me to become a nurse.
So every day is a little bit different. One evening I had a fall, one patient ended up on the floor, and I had a couple of other things going on. And the amount of people that came into the room when I was under the pump was amazing. Everyone asked if I was okay and what they could do for me, not what I had to do. It was all about what I needed, so that was really great.
There's always learning opportunities for you to grow and expand on your nursing skills, and just the people you work with is absolutely amazing, from staff to educators. Everyone's there for you and they have your back as well, so it's a great program. It's a really good transitional program.
The first couple of weeks, you're supernumerary in some of the areas, and you're very well supported with all your educators. There's not a time when you feel like you're lost.
So far I've loved just being in a really supportive team. Everyone's so nice, and like if you need something, like help with something, they're more than happy to help you. I just love coming to work.
I'm loving theatre completely. Started off in orthopedics, so doing some joint replacements, which are great. You hear a lot in uni with some of the cases, but it's actually one thing to get in there, literally get your hands dirty.
I think the rotations, so I'm currently in special care nursery, like I said before, absolutely loving it. The staff there are absolutely amazing. It's a beautiful, positive attitude. I felt like I was a part of a team from day one. 100% recommend it. Definitely go for it, because GV Health has made it easy for me to transition as a student registered nurse into a graduate registered nurse, and like I said, it's an amazing supportive environment, so definitely go for it. And with the new development of the hospital, there's going to be plenty of learning opportunities as well.
I think the grad program is designed to really support you transitioning from that student to registered nurse phase.
The reason I applied to GV Health was because it was a rural hospital but large enough to grow, and there's a lot of different areas that are quite acute. I came from New South Wales, so it was a jump over the border for me, and I felt supported in the few legislation differences between New South Wales and Victoria.
Living in Shep is one desirable. It is close, but also doing placements here. I loved all the staff that I was working with on placement. I loved the different areas it has, and there's lots of things you can branch out. They support you doing grad programs too, doing postgrads in critical care, another thing I'd like to do. I would love to continue here, and I am really enjoying it so far, so can't wait to see what the future brings for me.
So I am a local girl from Tatura, and I've had most of my placements here at Govan Valley Health and absolutely loved them. Had experience in all different wards, and I also like the idea of being able to move around and not just stay at one particular rotation, and the environment's really fun and supportive.
So again, like I'm from Shepparton La Trobe, so local. It offers postgrad opportunities, which is what I want to do, so that sort of really helped me a lot to decide to come here. And I really like the values of GV Health. Like I think it just embodies the nurse that I want to be. The values of Govan Valley Health are compassion, respect, excellence, accountability, teamwork, and ethical behaviour.
I think our grad program is really unique. Our grads get to rotate through various specialties, which is an opportunity that they wouldn't have in a big metro area. They're really nurtured and supported well.
So being on the floor working with all the graduates and students, seeing how supported they are, and wanting to just be in a place where I could help support that and give them more opportunity to learn from people with experience.
It's probably one of the most rewarding aspects to my role, to get to see the transition from being a novice practitioner to just to see how they develop and grow throughout their nursing career. So it's an honour to be a part of their journey.